network environment control. We developed it through having two arms to the company. One was pest and one was graffiti. Because I'm so old school, Robert's much better at looking at emails than I am.
Implementing Office 365 allowed them to communicate really well amongst the team and very easily portray that next level in professionalism that they were looking for.
Office 365 has been really good because when I'm out on the field and I get emails, we're busy, my wife might ring me and say, have you checked your emails recently? Because everything comes through her, I get it, it's there, you know, it's so convenient.
The company can receive an email at the primary mailboxes where all the jobs get allocated, and Joanne and the rest of the team in the admin area are able to manage that, respond if required without actually having to interrupt the field team. If there's action required, they're able to interrupt Bobby if he needs it because he's not as good at as checking his emails, or forward it straight through to one of the other members of the team.
He's always saying to me, have you seen that email, Dad? No.
Well, this way all the emails are synced up together, so there's nothing that gets missed.